DeWalt oscillating tools are known for their versatility, but to really get the most out of them, choosing the right sanding pad makes a huge difference. Whether you're smoothing wood, stripping paint, or working in tight corners, the right pad can save time and deliver a much cleaner finish. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best sanding pads for DeWalt oscillating tools. We'll go through what each one offers, where it performs best, and who it's ideal for. Let's get started. Starting off the list, we have a universal triangle sanding pad replacement, a practical option for anyone looking for a simple and affordable solution. This type of pad is designed to fit most oscillating tools, including DeWalt models, thanks to its universal interface system. It's especially useful if your original pad has worn out or lost its grip. The triangular shape allows you to reach tight corners and edges with ease, which is often difficult with standard sanding tools. Most versions come with a hook and loop surface, making sandpaper changes quick and hassle-free. For DIY users and homeowners handling light to medium sanding tasks, this is a reliable and cost-effective choice that gets the job done without complication. Next up, we have the DeWalt OEM sanding pad attachment, designed specifically for seamless compatibility with DeWalt oscillating tools. This is the original manufacturer's attachment, so fit and stability are exactly what you'd expect. It locks in securely, reducing vibration and improving overall control during sanding. The pad features a durable backing with a strong hook and loop system, ensuring your sanding sheets stay firmly in place even during extended use. It's built to handle consistent pressure without wearing out quickly. This option is ideal for users who want dependable performance and prefer sticking with genuine DeWalt accessories for their tools. Coming in at number 3, we have the WorkPro Oscillating Tools Sanding Pad Kit, a versatile package that offers more than just a single attachment. This kit typically includes a sanding pad along with a range of sanding sheets in different grits, giving you flexibility for various tasks right out of the box. The pad is designed for universal compatibility, and the included sandpapers make it easy to switch between coarse material removal and fine finishing. What makes this kit stand out is its value. Instead of buying everything separately, you get a complete setup that's ready for multiple applications, from wood sanding to paint removal. It's a great option for DIY enthusiasts and casual users who want variety without spending too much. In the second spot, we have the EZARC Oscillating Sanding Pad Set, known for its durability and consistent performance. This set is designed to handle tougher sanding jobs while maintaining a strong grip on the sandpaper. The pad construction is reinforced to reduce wear, especially during heavy-duty use. It usually includes multiple sanding pads or attachments, along with a selection of sanding sheets, making it suitable for extended projects. One of its key advantages is reliability under pressure. Whether you're smoothing hardwood or removing stubborn coatings, it maintains stability and efficiency. This makes it a solid choice for both DIY users and more experienced users who need something that can handle demanding tasks. Taking the top spot, we have the DeWalt Sanding Pad with a quick change system, a premium option designed for speed, convenience, and performance. This pad is built to integrate perfectly with DeWalt oscillating tools, offering a secure fit and minimal movement during operation. The quick change feature allows you to swap attachments or reposition the pad quickly without slowing down your workflow. It also provides excellent dust extraction compatibility when paired with the right setup, helping keep your work area cleaner. The hook and loop surface is strong and reliable, ensuring sandpaper stays in place even during intense sanding sessions. This is the ideal choice for professionals and serious DIY users who want efficiency, durability, and a smooth overall experience. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best sanding pads for DeWalt oscillating tools. Choosing the right one really depends on your workload, the type of material you're working with, and how often you use your tool. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which sanding pad are you currently using, and how has it performed for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and recommendations.